Welcome back, Money Makers. This is your boy Duran. As always, we stay making you have money here in your pockets on this channel. This is the Money Makers channel where you can keep getting money consistently if you follow these steps that I'm about to show you here. Madam Monetize. You have never heard of this website. You can earn when your audience earns. This is crazy. And you see here, $142 with Madam monetize all your social media accounts instantly, whatever your audience size is. Go ahead and get started for free. Click on that, and it's going to take you to registration. Put in your email, your password, confirm you're not, then click on register. These are just all of the steps that you need to take heed to, but I am not going to hold you up any longer, but just these are some of the questions here that people might ask. How it works, you can invite your audience to engage and earn. Be sure to use your referral link when you share with your audience. We match to the best possible paying surveys. Our tech takes care of an AI supported survey matching and monetary rewards. And then this is so it kind of like a survey site slash a building up your audience platform. You can earn minimum 25% of every survey taken forever. And then our features, easy payouts. They have PayPal, Exeto, Bitcoin vouchers, gift cards, zero restrictions, like affiliation. Welcome back to a new and exciting video. Make sure that you watch this video fully to make sure that you are earning the maximum potential in your lifetime. And this website or app is called Kajabi. So basically, if you're not earning on YouTube yet, you can come over here and become a full-time creator with Kajabi. You can transform your ideas into a thriving creator first online business platform. So basically, people pay to subscribe to your different channel or your niche or whatever you're doing over here, and you can make money directly starting from day one. So you can join creators who built a business doing what they love. So, how do I make six figures? Yes, this person had made over six figures with Kajabi. And you can too if you only work 5 or 10 hours a day. Now, obviously, she probably didn't make that in one day, but over time, gave 5 or 6 years, she built up enough platform for enough people to come over from maybe her YouTube or other social media farms over to this platform and directly start monetizing over here. I'm assuming she took her a little while to do it, but she made it. This person has made over 20K in 1 month. Insane. He said he's a dentist and he created online courses in Kajabi about a year ago. And with that, he was been able to basically work from now 2 days clinically as a dentist, and I spend the rest of my time working on the online business. This person said I came into real estate in 1999 and into real estate education in 2006. One of my students was making seven figures that year, and I started investigating the Kojobi website and instantly fell in love. I made $130,000 in 9 days with no ad. Six figures these people are building. This is crazy. So you want to make sure that you are coming over here. You want to click on Get Started. And then if you don't like their platform, you can always try it again. But just make sure that you are building up your portfolio and making sure that people like what they want to subscribe to. Go ahead and start this 14-day trial. But other than that, you all have a great and wonderful day.
The second week, I can't believe it. It's been over a year since I've been recording these videos, and I'm so proud of myself. I haven't given up. I keep being persistent, and I keep making you guys have money in your pockets. So if you are not familiar with ValleyConnect app, you need to get in tune with it. Basically, it's going to bring you sponsorships to your channel in order to be able to monetize off of different products that they want you to advertise so you can start making money. And that's just one of the ways you can make money on YouTube. So basically, it can help you grow your earnings of any creator in any niche and bring brand awareness up for your business to help it grow. So as you can see, take your sponsorships to the next level. Enter your brand or creator info to be considered for partnerships now. So it's going to bring you partnerships to your channel so you can be able to start making this money. So if you are a brand, it's going to connect you to different creators. Or vice versa. If you are creators, it's going to connect you to different brands. So you work hand in hand and make that money together. And you want that. That's what every content creator dreams about, is making money at the best possible moment in their life. Just when they think they couldn't reach that 1,000 watch hours, they have brand partnerships and brands that's going to help them to gain audience members, gain exposures to different brands, and that's going to help increase the subscribers to your channel. Now, I know everybody won't be able to apply for partnerships and brands. I understand that. But it's something to think about as you are growing as a small content creator. This video is for my content creators. And if you don't want to become a content creator, well, you don't have to watch this video, but this is definitely something that you might want to consider in the future. So don't dismiss it just yet. Make sure that you're paying attention. So basically, you can click on, if you're a brand, you can click on the brand. If you are a creator, click on the creator. Obviously, if you are a creator, you're going to click on that creator, and then you're going to enter all your information. First name, last name, email, your platform you're on, like Twitch, YouTube, Kick, TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, Discord. It just has them all of the social media sites that you want to find brands to partner with, so you can start making money on any of your channels. And then you're going to have to submit that. Sponsorships are made easy. You spend less time trying to find sponsors and more time on creating the content you love. So it's a simplified process. You can find listings from the brands who want to hire content creators like you, apply for the listings, or simply accept the listing terms for sponsorships. Finally, create sponsored content and get paid. So basically, if you are helping beauty channel, you might have different sponsors that reach out to you and say, hey, we want you to test our new makeup tutorials with your followers that you already have. So just go ahead and continue to look into this particular website, and then you get paid based on specific and clear content performance metrics. You have the ability to only engage with sponsorship payment structures you want to engage in, and then all transactions happen on the app with safe and secure payments through Stripe. You can go ahead and continue to explore the brands that you want to sponsor, that you want to be sponsored with. You examine your performance and sponsorship metrics to improve your revenue stream, and you build endless connections with brands and creators across the industry. But other than that, you all have a great and wonderful day. Bye now.